Unraveling the phrase, heave ho, a comprehensive guide. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we have a special phrase on the agenda, heave ho. You might have heard it in movies, read it in books, or even come across it in everyday conversations. But what does it truly mean? Let's unravel this together. Heave ho is a phrase that originated from nautical terminology, specifically used by sailors during the age of sailing ships. It was a chant or a rhythmic call used by sailors to coordinate their efforts while hauling or lifting heavy objects on board ships. The word heave means to lift or haul with great effort, and ho is just an exclamation, adding rhythm to the activity. In today's English, heave ho has transcended its nautical roots and found its way into general language. It is now used in various contexts, often to describe the act of discarding or getting rid of something or someone. For instance, if someone says, "He gave his old couch the heave ho," it means that he got rid of his old couch. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use heave ho in sentences. 1. After years of malfunctioning, I finally gave my old computer the heave ho. 2. In this sentence, the phrase is used to indicate that the person got rid of their old computer. 3. The coach gave the underperforming player the heave ho from the team. 4. Here, heave ho is used to describe the act of dismissing a player from the team. 5. The company is giving outdated policies the heave ho in favor of more progressive ones. 6. In this example, the phrase is used to show the act of discarding old policies. When using heave ho, it's important to use it in contexts that involve discarding, removing, or getting rid of something. It often carries a connotation of relief, as if a burden has been lifted. However, it can also be used more seriously, such as when someone loses their job or is removed from a team. That's all for today's exploration of the phrase, heave ho. We hope this video has shed some light on its origins, meanings, and uses in modern English. Remember, language is an ever-evolving entity, and phrases like these add color and history to our communication. So, the next time you hear or use heave ho, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it correctly. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.